I'm a parrot, bright and loud, talking freely, drawing crowd. In the jungle green and wide, I spread my words from side to side. I copy voices, sounds I hear, from far away or very near. If you speak, I'll speak the same. That's how I earned my talking fame. My feathers shine like rainbow light, red and green and blue so bright. I flap my wings and fly so high, painting colors in the sky. From morning sun to evening glow, I never stop my chatting flow. Hello, hello is what I say, repeating words throughout the day.